In this video, we'll look at the motor effect and the DC motor. This is Paper 2 content for IGCSE Physics. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, describe the motor effect. Second, use Fleming's left-hand rule. And third, explain how a DC motor turns. The motor effect is this. When a wire carrying a current sits in a magnetic field, it feels a force and gets pushed. That's because the magnetic field of the current interacts with the field of the magnet, and the two together push the wire out of the way. The force is biggest when the wire is at 90 degrees to the field, and it shrinks to 0 if the wire lies along the field. To predict which way the wire moves, we use Fleming's left-hand rule. Hold out your left hand and set your thumb, first finger, and second finger all at right angles to each other. Your thumb points the way of the motion, that's the force. Your first finger points along the field, north to south, and your second finger points along the current. Line up the field and current, and your thumb shows the force. A DC motor puts the motor effect to work. A coil of wire sits in a magnetic field with a current flowing through it. Because the current flows opposite ways along the two sides of the coil, the forces on those two sides point in opposite directions, one up, one down, which makes the coil spin. To keep it spinning the same way, a clever switch called a split ring commutator reverses the current every half turn. That flips the forces at just the right moment, so the coil keeps rotating continuously in one direction. We'll calculate the size of the force in the next video. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What does a current carrying wire feel in a magnetic field? Question 2. In Fleming's left-hand rule, what does the thumb show? Question 3. What does the split ring commutator do? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. A force, the motor effect. 2. The motion, the force direction. 3. Reverses the current every half turn. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.